Chef Keen here. I just installed this adjustable sunshade with umbrellas to block the sun on my deck. Back of my house is positioned toward the west, so even tilting these umbrellas wouldn't give me enough shade, but this sunshade blocks pretty much all of the sun after 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Now there's a crank to raise and lower the shade, and there's also some bungee cords to affix it to the railing. And with the shade rolled up, there's still enough room to deploy both of the umbrellas for noontime shade. Now I just used a 2x4 to mount the shade on and made some holes so it would fit over the top of the umbrellas, using these brackets to mount the umbrellas on the outside of the deck so they don't take up any room on the deck. So these are great solutions to block the sun in the mornings or the afternoons. Pretty easy to install. I'll put a link to all of the products I'm using here below. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Wi-Fi and tech products.